Yes, Penny, you are the nicest doggy in the world. Now hold it up a little higher. That's a good doggy. Now just hit the record button when you're ready. And just let me know when you're ready. How do I look? That better? Oh, yeah? You started? Hi, everybody. Uh, they call me Fred. I run a YouTube channel and a Facebook group and a whole bunch of other stuff because I'm cool. You know what I'm saying? And I've been working on this map over here for the last 2 years, and I'm happy to show it off now. I haven't the first time I've shown it off. Okay, this is a detailed map. Only I can understand. You're probably looking at this going, "What is that mess?" I understand. It took me 2 years to make this. Okay, right here, I sell a lot of sewing machine parts. Now, if you drive or however you want to get to over here, I send a lot of sewing machine parts in this area of the world. Okay, I provide sewing machine parts to everybody on this entire map. And this map goes on and on and on and on. And only I can understand this map. But I know exactly what it says. Why am I telling you this? For one, I'm pretty proud of it. After 2 long years of making this map, I'm finally done. And I'm having a big sale. September the 4th, it starts on a Monday, 2023. And what's going to be on the sale, you may ask? Some Fred Sanford's treasures. You're going to see items that you've never seen before. How about items that members may want to work on? Like 221 motors. We have genuine bobbins. That's right, Penny. Keep scrolling around. Let's take a look around and see what else we have. We have lots and lots of organizing to do. There's a bunch of stuff in them drawers. What else do we have? So, we got some incoming. It's one of these left. $50 for low shank. It's a 9-piece unbreakable embroidery quilting darning foot. Let me move this so you can see them all. Eight of them have sold. That's the last one. And it's been around here a while. So we're going to do this new incoming. We got a couple of boxes here. All right, we have a box of foot pedals. All right. That'll open up. Inspect the inside. Check for cracks. Clean. Replace the wiring if needed. This one doesn't have a plug end. Like that one. Here's a black one. Change the feet if I need to change the feet. I add lock washers and add a new cord. We got a third one. It's brown. Or no, it's whatever that color is. A kind of a dark gray. This is a Rocketeer foot pedal. This is just no cord on it. Unusual color, like a brown. Or that's more of like a, this is a brown. So that color there, and here's a gray. All right, well that's nice. We got another box, about the same here. We got a toe that's not working. That sounds cracked. Oh, we got a top. That's nice. Oh, it came with the bottom and a toe. No screws though. Oh, this one's missing a toe. Ooh, lime green. This is just one of many box openings I'll be doing. And you're like, where are you getting boxes from? And there's some toes down there. Now on these toes, I take every one of them out. Let's take a look at this one. I don't have my glasses, so let's see if we can use the camera to help me. But you're looking for cracks here, and I can't tell. But this one does look okay. All right, let me show you the boxes. Back in, what was it, 2019? I bought a company out. 700 sewing machines. 110 boxes. Priority mail boxes. They had them in. And I made a lot of YouTube videos opening each box, but I still have, I think I recently counted them, about 45 boxes left. There's another foot pedal. So I'm going to be doing more box opening videos in September. What else are we doing in September? I think we're going to do the button of the day in September. Button of the day. We'll see how long that lasts and see if I can keep up with it. Everybody likes the I Like Funny post, so I'll keep those up. And I'll keep throwing items up for sale. We'll have to mark these down. They're very popular, but the wholesaler prices went up, so I went up. But I can come down some. Classic European scissors. A lot of compliments on it, as well as the Dragon scissors. As though I've sold more of these than any other type. Then you got the disposable snips. Not as reliable as these, but a lot cheaper. All right. Thanks everybody for watching. Let me get back to my map. All right, let's see. I got to deliver there. Let me get the marker out. Yep. We got that. We got to draw the line to here. Okay. All right, and we got to do that over here too, because we got okay.